Well, I've been a fan of Stoner Trim Shine for quite a few years now. Probably been through about 20 cans of this stuff. You can see here we can get it on Amazon, or you can pick it up at just about any auto parts store. So this is a old school Formica countertop that I regretfully didn't get a picture of before I found the problem. The customer's home today, but you can see this white ring. Well, when I stumbled across this in the house, it was as white as can be, zero color. And you can see another faint one here where you actually see more of the etching that occurred, where the plastic is kind of damaged. And then there were some random blotchy spots where she had left some leaky bleach containers and pulled all the color out and actually removed some of the plastic, just as you would when you get acid on a calcium-based stone. So anyhow, long story short, I let it soak for about 2 hours in this Trim Shine product and then wiped it off. And while you can still see the, I guess you call it the physical damage, as you can see here, all the color's been restored. I didn't charge her for this. We were doing, I don't know, $1,500, $1,600 worth of other work on their floors. But as you can see, she was thrilled, you can imagine. Anyhow, Hula thinks every carpet cleaner should keep this stuff on their truck. Not only keep their truck looking great inside and out, but to problem solve in customers' homes.